Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore one of TickTick's most powerful features, subtasks and checklists. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by large projects or complex tasks, this feature is about to become your new best friend. So let's dive in. We all have those daunting tasks that seem too big to tackle in one go. Maybe it's a work project with multiple stages, planning a big event, or even managing your weekly errands. Breaking these big tasks into smaller, manageable pieces is key to staying organized and motivated. That's where TickTick's subtasks and checklists come in handy. When you create a new task in TickTick, you can easily add subtasks or create a checklist within that main task. This way, you can break down your project into bite-sized pieces and track your progress step by step. For example, let's say you're planning a party. Instead of just writing "plan party" on your to-do list, you can create a main task for the party and add items to a checklist by clicking here and typing out things like send invitations, order cake, buy decorations, and arrange music. Then, as you complete each checklist item, you can check it off, giving you a sense of accomplishment and a clear visual of your progress. This not only makes the overall task less intimidating, but also ensures you don't forget any important details. Once you have completed the checklist within the main task marks itself as complete. Conversely, if you want to mark the main task as complete without marking the checklist items, then you just click here. You can also create subtasks within the main task that act differently than the checklist. These subtasks are very much like the main task and have many of the same functionality as the main tasks, which differentiates them from checklists. Creating subtasks in TickTick is super easy. Just open the task, tap on Add Subtask, and start listing the steps. You can even set dates, priorities, and reminders for each subtask, keeping everything aligned with your main goal. Subtasks are also great for work-related projects. If you have a report to write, you can break it down into sections like research, draft introduction, write main body, and proofread. This method keeps you organized, focused, and helps you manage your time more efficiently. So, if you haven't been using subtasks and checklists in TickTick, it's time to start. This feature will transform the way you manage your tasks, making even the biggest projects feel achievable. Give it a try and share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.